Welcome. In front of me is an ID2ME ID1, and I will show you how to wipe cache on this device. So we'll start off by powering up the device. So let's hold power key and select power off and confirm it. Wait for the device to shut off. Now once it's off, we will hold volume up and power button. So volume up, power button together till we see boot menu, like so. And from here we'll use volume up to navigate, as you can see. And choose the first option, which is recovery mode, and confirm it with volume down, like so. Now we will jump to recovery mode, and from here we will use volume up and down to actually navigate. So volume down, go down, and up, like so. And we're gonna select wipe cache partition and confirm it with power key. It's gonna quickly wipe it, and as you can see on the bottom, cache wipe complete, meaning it's finished. So we're gonna just tap on power button because it automatically goes to reboot system now. So just tap on it, and now phone will turn back on normally and the process will be finished. So let's give it a second for the phone to actually turn on. And as you can see, now it's back on, completing the cache wipe process. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.